Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Carolina Rock Cuddles. Today we are taking the AutoCat 1000 Mud Pro. We put a belt on it, we fixed the boot. I still don't think she has the power, and looking up, I think my wet clutch is actually a little wore out. It ain't hard, but I gotta take the belt box off, which is kind of a pain because they have little star bits, and if you know star bits, they like to break. Oh, I hate this. But on the other hand, screw it, we're gonna send it today. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna go in the small mud hole for us and hope she will do it. I'm gonna put her on load. Hopefully the wet clutch ain't bad enough that when she gets in thick mud, she stops. Because luckily the winch does walk, but I don't know how far that winch cable is gonna go. In case you missed last week's videos, this is our new 1000 Mud Pro. It has 30-inch Mega Mayhems, a big gun exhaust, and she's pretty bad to the bone. I know you might not know this, but this was actually the first 1000 foiler that came out, the AutoCat 1000. And AutoCat was the first company to come out with a mud model. And there's a couple things that I like about these, like the high snorkels. Even Can-Am ain't figured that out yet. But there's a lot of things I don't like about it, to be honest. One of the biggest issues I have found out about these foilers is, like, you can't just go with AutoCat Mud Pro 1000 because there's over 4 or 5 different starters for the 1000 inches and a 6-year span. Tell me how that works, people. If you want parts, you have to go to Partstilla, find the part, make sure you get the part number, and then order it. Like the injector for this one, because they ordered the wrong one. But on Amazon, it shows it for a 2010 1000 Thundercat, which you think would be the same, but it's not. I have had to cross-reference all the numbers, which, you know what, it ain't the worst, but compared to Can-Am and stuff, well, everything's universal. You want 800 engine, all of 800 engine. That's what AutoCat screwed up, and now this 1000 ain't even around anymore. Anyways, let me slap on my GoPro, and let's see if the wet clutch holds up. Just my luck when I get out here, it starts raining. Like, I've been sitting in the house for the last hour and a half because I thought it was gonna rain. Then finally I was like, oh, it ain't gonna rain. It looks like it missed us. Nope. And the fan is hooked to a switch. So it's raining. Screw it though. Let's see what we got. Either gonna be a really good idea or a really bad idea. Shoot. Oh. Okay, bad idea. She did pretty good. Of course, because she don't have that low end grunt, she just, I don't know. The wheel's torn sideways and I couldn't move it. Got a little scary. She's doing pretty good. I mean, she is spinning the tires fairly easy, but she definitely needs a clutch. Full drive off.
Let's go down the road and play in that mud. Whoa! Let's hope she goes
because she didn't like that last time. You notice she's bounced off a rev limiter, which telling me that the clutch isn't engaging. But you can tell if I switch it to RPMs, so it's in low, it should engage somewhere around 2,000. It's almost 3,000 before it even moves. That's not even engaging yet. But hey, what can you do? Hopefully it fit. Oh, forgot about my fan. That was close. Anyways, let's go through here and see what we got. That 6x6 has destroyed that hole. That 6x6 is making it really hard, guys. But that's the problem though. This thing has arched arms and 30-inch Mayhems. That should have easily not got stuck, but that just shows you how deep this water's getting. Or mud, how thick the mud is, sorry. Come on, baby. Oh. over, I'm gonna end up burning the belt off. Something definitely hit my foot and I don't like it. I mean, this thing's pretty bad. I just realized, I always forget to tell people this. 11,695 miles. You can't tell me this thing ain't been around the block. She's actually pretty badass. I think if we can get that clutch stuff fixed, she's probably gonna be really bad to the bone. But hey, right now, I just wanted to take it out. I've owned this thing for a month and a half, 2 months now, and I've slowly been fixing it. The guy told me it was a startle. He lied. It needed the startle. He tried to shove the wrong injector in it. That didn't work. It had no fuel pressure. I had to put fuel pressure. It was missing pieces of the snorkel. I mean, it was just one thing after another. And a lot of other small end stuff that didn't matter. But anyways, we got it and it works. I think hopefully we're gonna go ahead and order the wet clutch. It ain't too expensive, and hopefully that fixes this issue. If not, I don't know what else to do, because to me, everybody I've talked to said that it is the wet clutch, because something about the wet clutch, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know. It definitely seems like a clutch issue, because just like a Honda, it revs to the moon, but yet it's not moving, which is telling me it just not has enough plate left. I don't know how to explain it, but I know what I'm talking about, but at the same time, yeah. What I'm surprised about is the winch still works. I don't know. None of my winches work. Okay. One more time, in and out. Okay, let's go wash it off. Whoa, I swear, that thing went to the left hard. This thing always does it. It wants to pull to the left so bad. I need to check that out, see if maybe the tie rod is bent. I know I have to go ahead and rebuild the front diff, so that's already coming, but I was in two-wheel drive and it still pulled really hard. Okay, let's send it through here one more time and that'll probably be it, because honestly, with this wet clutch issue, I'm really just asking to burn something up, especially the brand new belt, which I did get a cheaper belt because I didn't know if that was the issue, and I wanted to make sure that I could, fix things cheap and then buy the more expensive parts if I needed. Anyways, let's go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like this video. I had a lot more planned, but I just don't think she's gonna be up to the challenge right now. As you can see, she has the power once the RPMs kick in, which definitely tells me I think it's still the wet clutch, which is good. It's not hard. I do have to take the clutches back off, and that's a pain because of the little star bits that I just hate so much. Anyways, I hope y'all like this video. I know we didn't go no crazy. We didn't go very far with it, but this is about, I don't know, about 10, 15 minutes from my house. I was making sure that somebody could come pull me out or pull me home if this thing didn't work. Anyways, I gotta figure out the glitch. Earlier it didn't want to start one time when I cut it off, but I don't think that's nothing. I think that's just a glitch, and I think it's old. It had, like you said, 11,000 miles. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this. Please like, comment, and subscribe, because we have a lot more going on with this thing. And once we get it ready, maybe we'll take it to Busco. That's up to y'all. Should we keep this thing? Should we sell this thing? Should we, we can sell it right now, get a wet clutch and sell it. That's up to y'all. I'll let y'all decide. Anyways, I will see y'all on the next one.